Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Garden Profiler. Modern Elegance Gardens. For a polished contemporary look, modern elegance is the way to go. Picture clean lines, symmetrical plant arrangements, and geometric planters creating a structured yet inviting space. Add sophistication with subtle lighting to highlight key features at night. And use materials like stone or metal for a sleek finish. Ornamental grasses like fountain grass, succulents like agave, and boxwood shrubs work beautifully in this style. Accentuate with white hydrangeas for a touch of softness. Modern elegance blends functionality with beauty, making it ideal for homeowners who value simplicity and refinement.